So what is all of this?
Today we had a workshop, calendar design workshop. Artists got together. Each artist got a month, and they decorated.
How many artists?
We had 14 artists, and each artist got 1 month. We have covers too. And the theme of the, do you know the theme of the workshop?
What was the theme?
Sharing.
Sharing.
So we shared love, happiness, our time, our
And
stuff,
fun. It was super fun. And where can we buy this calendar?
We can pre-order the calendars through Instagram or email me. My Instagram is Farah, and the calendars will be ready within a week.
Great. We also will be selling calendars at Pancakes and Booze. And there's also going to be some charity involved, right?
The original works, that's right, the original works gonna be an auction, and 50% of the selling will go to the charity.
Buy calendars and share it with your loved ones. Hey, bye.